Protectionism hits close to home. Protectionism isn't just some dusty theory in a textbook. It has a direct impact on our everyday lives. When governments impose tariffs or quotas, the price of goods we purchase rise, affecting everything from clothing to electronics. Subsidies, while potentially beneficial to domestic producers, can also distort markets and lead to inefficiencies. Once we understand protectionism, we can grasp how these policies touch our daily lives and make informed choices as consumers and voters. Trade wars, a global concern. Protectionism isn't confined to a single country. It can spark trade wars and heighten tensions on the international stage. When one country increases trade barriers, others often respond in kind, triggering a cycle of retaliation that can damage the global economy. Recent trade disputes between major economies like the United States and China serve as a reminder of the far-reaching consequences of protectionist policies. Protectionism gives us a lens through which we can analyze the origins and outcomes of these conflicts, which further helps us navigate the intricacies of the global economy. Winners and losers, the uneven impact. Protectionism creates clear winners and losers. While it may offer short-term benefits to specific domestic industries and create jobs in those sectors, it can also harm other parts of the economy and lead to job losses elsewhere. For instance, tariffs on imported steel might protect domestic steel producers and their workers, but they can also hurt industries that rely on steel as a raw material, such as car manufacturers. And understanding of the distributional effects of protectionism policies is essential for both policymakers and citizens. Protectionism and development, a controversial strategy. Some developing countries have turned to protectionism as a tool for economic development. The idea is to shield fledgling industries from international competition, which allows them time to grow and mature. This approach, known as import substitution industrialization, has been adopted by countries like Brazil and India in the past. However, its effectiveness remains a topic of debate, with critics highlighting potential drawbacks such as inefficiency and reliance on government support. The ethical questions. Protectionism raises important ethical considerations. Is it just for one country to shield its own industries at the expense of others? Should we prioritize domestic employment over access to affordable goods for consumers? These complex questions do not have any easy answers, but they are essential to think about as we confront the challenges of globalization. Shaping the future of trade. As the world undergoes rapid transformations fueled by technology, shifting alliances, changing global trade, and environmental concerns, the debate over trade policy becomes even more important. Protectionism can help us understand exactly what is going on with the economy and how rumors of upcoming regressions will impact us.